The law of assumption is a powerful concept that suggests our assumptions shape our reality. It is based on the idea that what we believe to be true, whether consciously or unconsciously, influences our experiences and outcomes in life. Here in this video, we will tell you more about this fascinating law. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Let's dive in. Understanding the law of assumption. At its core, the law of assumption posits that our assumptions, or the beliefs we hold about ourselves and the world, play a pivotal role in shaping our experiences. In simpler terms, what we assume to be true often becomes our reality. This principle is closely aligned with the field of psychology, where the power of mindset is recognized as a potent force in influencing behavior and outcomes. Consider the example of someone who assumes they are destined for success. This assumption can lead to a positive mindset, increased confidence, and a greater likelihood of taking actions that align with their perceived path to success. On the flip side, if an individual assumes they are destined for failure, their mindset may become a self-fulfilling prophecy, hindering their progress and limiting their potential. The influence of thoughts and beliefs. The law of assumption emphasizes the profound influence of thoughts and beliefs on our daily lives. Our minds are powerful creators, and the assumptions we hold can shape our perceptions, attitudes, and behaviors. It is crucial to recognize the impact of both positive and negative assumptions, as they can either propel us towards our goals or act as stumbling blocks in our journey. The renowned psychologist William James once said, "The greatest discovery of my generation is that human beings can alter their lives by altering their attitudes of mind." This sentiment aligns closely with the essence of the law of assumption, highlighting the transformative potential of changing our assumptions. Application in everyday life. The law of assumption is not a theoretical concept confined to academic discussions. Rather, it is a practical tool that individuals can apply in their everyday lives. From personal relationships to professional endeavors, the assumptions we carry with us influence the way we navigate the world. In the workplace, an employee who assumes they are valued and capable is likely to contribute positively to their team and seek out growth opportunities. On the other hand, someone who assumes they are overlooked or incapable may become disengaged and fail to reach their full potential. Challenges and pitfalls. While the law of assumption offers a profound framework for personal development, it is essential to acknowledge potential challenges and pitfalls. Blindly accepting assumptions without critical examination can lead to delusion or unrealistic expectations. Additionally, overcoming deeply ingrained limiting beliefs may require time and consistent effort. It is crucial to strike a balance between optimism and realism, recognizing that assumptions alone do not guarantee success. Action, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt are equally important factors in achieving one's goals. That's all for now. Like and share the video and follow us for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.